Take command of the road in the 2009 Lexus IS 250. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Lexus are offered, including leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power moonroof, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.